There is nothing like a good memory or a bad memory. There is nothing like a strong memory and a weak memory. There is only a trained memory and an untrained memory. Hello everyone, this is Jyoti, your maths teacher and your coach for your learning process. Learn how to learn with me. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. So today I have come up with a learning skill, memory. And this is one of the most important skills for all the students because they have to learn and then give the tests and exams. So we will learn the 3 stages of memory or the 3 phases of memory, that how do you learn. So the first stage to the memory is receive. So first of all, you receive the information from the environment, right? And how do you receive it? You receive it through your 5 senses. Yes, and reception of every sense can be enhanced and increased. Now, have you seen a chef? He will only smell the food and can tell the ingredients. Have you seen a shopkeeper? He will just touch the cloth and realize the quality of it. So they have developed a particular sense, maybe unconsciously, over the years with practice. So you can develop your reception, your senses with good practice. Let's move on to the next stage of memory, which is retain. Retain here refers to the storage, that you have received the information, now it is to be stored. So again, I would like to address who says, I have a weak memory. I would like to tell you that your brain has 18 million GB data storage. That means if you run a TV for like 300 years non-stop, the video recorded, imagine, that is the capacity of your brain. So please burst that bubble, I have a weak memory. You can store a lot of data. But there are principles and practices associated with every hour. So I'll give you one principle here. With retention, there is one principle which is attention. Now have you realized some people that they will reach their home and then think, oh, did they lock the car? Or it must have happened with you also, like your parents told you to lock the house and then go to tuitions, and when you've reached tuitions you realize, did you lock or not? So no matter how much you try to memorize and remember, but you just don't remember unless you actually come to the spot again and see that it is locked. So what happened there was that you were in an automatic behavior. You did not pay attention to what you were doing, but your mind was occupied with some other thought loop. That is why that visual did not occur to you at all. So attention is just one of the principles of retention, right? So next time, pay attention. Then the third R is recall. Now here, suppose you are preparing for an exam and you have learned the 10 keywords well. You have practiced this also at times at home. But in the paper, you could only remember 5. And no matter what, you couldn't remember the rest of the 5. But when you came out of the examination hall or you were on your way back home, while suddenly you got all the 5 points remembered. But was that of any use now? No. So problem wasn't storage? No. Because if you had not stored it, it wouldn't have occurred you at later stage also. The problem was with recall. You could not recall the information at the right time, right? So there are principles associated with this R, but one of them is organization. Now, if I give you 1,000 books and you have piled them up like a huge mountain, and I tell you to find one book for me, it will take time to find that one book, isn't it? Or maybe you will not even find it. But if you keep those books organized, maybe alphabetically, maybe author-wise, maybe subject-wise, then I ask you a book, won't you get that early? Yes. So that is one of the skill or one of the principle for recall. So these are the 3 R's of memory. Every R has more principles, more practices. Like, now tell me which R did you associate most with, or which R do you want to really improve on? At the end, I will tell you to subscribe my channel so that you get the next principle notification. And remember, if you don't use it, you lose it. Till then, bye-bye.